Me, manners. Don't forget.
Mimi was playing with all her favorite toys. Blocks, dolls, cars, and a fluffy teddy bear were spread out all over the living room floor. She laughed and made up fun games. "Mimi, lunch is ready," called Mommy from the kitchen. Mimi's tummy rumbled loudly. "Yummy, I'm so hungry," she cheered, ready to zoom to the table right away. But Mommy gently stopped her. "Wait, sweetie. Look at all your toys first. We always clean up before we eat. It's good manners to put your toys away so they are safe and the room is tidy for our meal." Mimi looked at her messy toys, then at her mommy's kind face. She understood. "Okay, Mommy." With a big smile, Mimi started putting her blocks in the box. Mommy helped her tuck the teddy bear into its basket. Soon, all the toys were neatly put away. "Now, everything is clean and tidy." Mimi clapped her hands. She washed her hands and sat down for a delicious lunch. Her tummy was happy and her heart felt happy too. Eating in a clean room felt so good.